Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can block people from messaging you on Messenger, so let's get right into it. Now, you have two ways of doing this. If you don't want to block them completely, you can just mute them, and you have the option to do so in your chat with them, or you can completely block them if you don't want them to contact you at all. If you don't block them and you just mute them, they will still be able to send you messages. However, you won't get notifications, but they will still appear at the top of your chats window if they send recent messages. Now, to actually block somebody or to mute them, you just go into their chat, as I mentioned, and go into the eye in the top right. Here, if you have communicated with them, you will have the option to mute them, and that is pretty much how you do it. You'll be able to select the time for which you mute them, whether indefinitely or for a certain amount of time before notifications get turned back on. However, you can also block them by clicking the block icon here, and you'll be able to block them if you want. However, as you can see, aside from completely blocking contact, they won't be notified and they will be unfriended from Facebook, and you will need to unblock them if you wish to resume contact with them at a later date. But pretty much that is how you do it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.